Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Sing with me.
Hi everybody, how are you today? For this program I have a new lesson. Our program about sunrise one with alphabet letter. Let us start. Hi kiddos, how are you? Nice to meet you. I want to talk about C letter. I will show you C letter. It is capital C and it is uppercase C. And this one is small letter C and it is lowercase c. Cat. Cat.
Students' Book, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Hello, Max. Listen. Look, Azad, it's a cat. Hello, Foxy.
A cat! Come here!
Foxy, no! Goodbye, cat.
Students' Book, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Listen and clap. Cat.
A, B, C, D,
Cat.
Cat.
H, I,
Come here, Caris.
K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S,
Very good, clap. Come here, Vanna.
W, X, Y, and Z.
Well done, clap. Now I will show you some words for C letter.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
We have some example for K. K is for cat. Cat.
R, S, T, U, V,
K is for cow. Cow.
T, U, V,
K is for
W,
cape. Cape.
I, N, Z.
K is for cook. Cook. And the last one is camel. K is for camel. Camel. Now I will show you a video how to write C letter.
First, we'll start with big or uppercase C. To write uppercase C, we'll start at the top in the corner and then do a curved line all the way around to the bottom in the corner. Let's do that again. We'll start at the top in the corner and then do a curved line all the way down to the bottom in the corner. Good job! Now you try. Now let's do lowercase or little c. For lowercase c, we'll start at the middle and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Let's do that again. We'll start in the middle and do a curved line all the way to the bottom. Good job! Now you try. Great work! Now you know how to write the letter C.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter C. This is a capital C. This is a lowercase c. You know how the C looks now. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 K. Yes! C is for car. C is for carrot. C is for crocodile. C is for cat. C is for crab. C is for crayon. You know some C words now. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 K. Your turn. C!
Please, kids, write down C letter.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K.
Open your activity book, page 19. Please, all of you, trace C letter.
R, S, T, U, V. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D,
Student's Book, Unit 6, Lesson 3. Listen and sing.
Hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. Hello, hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye.
Student's Book, Revision 2.
Listen, point, and say.
Look. Rose, Azad, Naza. Look. An apple. A bag. Look. A cat.
Hello, cat.
Foxy. Bag.
Azad. Cat.
Max. Apple.
Naza. Apple.
Rose. Bag.
Now we have many alphabet activity. The first alphabet activity is root alphabet activity. Kids, come here and tell me where's C letter. Where's C? Very good. Well done. Tell me where's C? Very good. Well done.
Here comes the letter C. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cake. Cake. C is for car. Car. C is for cap. Cap. C is for clean. Clean. C is for clever. Clever. C is for clock. Clock. C is for cupboard. Cupboard. C is for chair. Chair. C is for children. Children. C is for cheese. Cheese. C is for chicken. Chicken.
Now we have another alphabet activity. It is Play-Doh alphabet activity. Please, kids, you can make C letter by Play-Doh. last alphabet activity is matching alphabet activity. Please key this matching letter to the picture. Very good. I hope this program will be very useful for you. See you next time. Have a nice time. Goodbye.